Military tensions are once again rising on the Korean peninsula. On Saturday, North Korea launched a missile toward the sea, raising a fresh security concerns across the region. Both South Korea and Japan have confirmed the launch. According to Japan's initial assessment, the projectile may have been a ballistic missile. However, officials have not yet released detailed information about the exact type of capability of the missile. Authorities are currently analyzing its flight distance, altitude, and other technical aspects. This latest launch has once again sparked concern about growing tensions in East Asia. North Korea has long been in confrontation with the international community over its missile and nuclear programs. Because of this, every new test tends to affect the region's security balance. According to the South Korean military, the missile was launched from North Korea's eastern coast towards the sea. The military said the launch was detected through its surveillance and monitoring systems. In their initial statement, however, officials did not reveal many technical details about the missile. They said the experts are still studying its range, altitude, and type. Meanwhile, Japan has also confirmed the incident. Japan's Coast Guard reported that the missile eventually fell into the sea. At the moment, there is no immediate threat to Japan's coastal areas. Japan's public broadcaster, citing sources from the country's defense ministry, said the missile landed outside Japan's exclusive economic zone, also known as the EEZ. This means the projectile did not enter Japan's maritime jurisdiction. Even so, Japanese authorities have taken the situation seriously and say they are closely monitoring developments. Experts believe this missile launch may also be linked to recent military activity in the region. Recently, the United States and South Korea began joint military exercises on March 9th, which are scheduled to last 5 days. These drills involve a large number of troops, advanced weapons, and modern military equipment. Both the United States and South Korea have clearly stated that these exercises are purely defensive in nature. According to them, the goal is to simply test military readiness and strengthen coordination between the two countries. Officials argue that such a preparation is necessary, especially considering North Korea's growing military capabilities and its nuclear program. Through these exercises, both nations want to ensure that they can respond effectively together if any threat emerges. However, nuclear-armed North Korea sees these drills very differently. They claim that such joint military exercises are actually preparation for military aggression against it. For years, North Korea has argued that US-South Korea military drills threaten its national security. North Korea's state media has repeatedly described these exercises as provocative actions. According to North Korea, these drills are meant to increase pressure on the country. Because of this, whenever such exercises take place, North Korea often respond with missile tests or other military activities. History also shows that North Korea has conducted missile launches in the past in response to joint US-South Korea drills. That is why analysts believe this latest ballistic missile test may also be connected to the same pattern. Now, the big question is, will this latest launch further escalate tensions in East Asia? And could the region see more military activity from North Korea in the coming days? What do you think about the situation? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section and keep watching KTV India.